now? What is in order now? First period is for whom? First period is for left. Next period is for node. Next period is for right. This one you need to understand. First is left. Left at the what you do it now? You need to travel left side. Right at the right side you need to travel. That's all you need to remember. Okay? Closely listen up here. First thing, with the calm mind, you think on this. Okay? You will come to here. You will come to the root now. Everything will start from the root. After coming here, first period is for left travel. After coming here, first period is for left travel. After coming here, first period is for left travel. Do you have anything? No. Back. Next period is for node. What is the node now? D. Understanding? Here D is printing. Here D is printing. Next period is for right side. Do you have anything right? Nothing. Back. Left is done. Next period is for node. Who is the node now? D. You will write it. Next period is for right. We will come to right. After coming here, first period is for left side. We will come to left now. After coming here, first period is for left. Do you have any left? No. What do you do now? Back. Next period is for node. What do you have any node? Next period is for right. We come here. First period is for left. Do you have anything left? Nothing. Back. First period is for. Next period is for node. Node at G. Next period right. Put right. Don't have anything. Again, we do what? Back. Again. Left node, right is done, back. Left is done, node is done, right is back. Left is done, node is done. What is the node now? E. Then what is the priority? Right. You go very good. Right. Do you have anything? Nothing. Right. What will you do now? You do what? Back. Now again I will do the backtracking here. Left is done, node is done, right is done, backtracking. Left is done, node not done. Understand? That's what? Yeah. Now understand now. Here root is coming, in this here root is coming. This one is very important for our further topics. Yes? Next one. Left is done, node is done. What is the next priority? Right. I'll come here. First priority is for left. First priority is for left. Do you have anything left? Next priority is for node. What is it now? Next priority is for right. The first priority? Left. First priority? Left. Do you have anything? Nothing. Back. Next priority? Node. What is the node now? What is the node now? Next priority is for right. Do you have anything right? No. Back. Again, you do backtracking. Left is done. What is done now? What is the node now? J. What? J. Next priority? Right side. Do you have anything in the right side? Nothing. Backtracking. Left node, right done. Backtracking. Left is done. Node is done. Right is done. Back. Left is done. Node is done now. What is the node now? C. Right. Next priority is for right side. Go here. First priority is for first priority is for first priority is for come to left side. Do you have anything? No. What do you do now? Back. Next priority is for node. What do you have node now? Next priority is for right side. First priority is for left side. Do you have anything left? Next priority is for node. What do you node now? Next priority is for right. You don't have anything, you come back in now. Left node, right done, backtracking. Left node, right is done, backtracking. Left is done, node is done now. What is the node now? Right. Right. Next priority is for right. Do you have anything right? Nothing. Again bracket, backtracking. Again I'll go to the backtracking. Left is done, node is done, right is done. Backtracking. Left is done, node is done, right is done. This is where you print the things. And this is called as in order. What is this now? In order. What is